Live in Harrodsburg and you need your smartphone fixed? Well, head over to Danville Smartphone Repair. We're located at 120 North 3rd Street, Unit 202 in Danville. We fix all make and model phones such as Apple iPhones, Samsung Galaxies, Google Pixels, and Motorola's. We handle a wide range of repairs from broken front screens, battery replacements, charging port issues, cameras, back panels, water damage, and viruses. If you need help, just give us a call at 859-691-1150 or just head over to Danville Smartphone Repair at 120 North 3rd Street, Unit 202 in Danville.